Hey y'all, today we're making an everyday golden cornbread. So let's get started. We're gonna start with some corn flour, which is basically a much finer ground cornmeal. This is an everyday cornbread, so you want the texture to complement a variety of everyday dishes, not too grainy and not too soft. Next, we add some self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but you will need to increase the amount of baking powder and baking soda you use. Some granulated cane sugar, some baking powder, a bit of baking soda, and some table salt. You want to stir to combine the dry ingredients. Once you have the ingredients mixed, make a well and pour in some buttermilk. It doesn't have to be room temperature buttermilk per se, but you don't want it straight from the refrigerator cold either. If you live where you find you need a bit more liquid, use water because you want your cornbread to taste like cornbread and not buttermilk. Then you want to mix the buttermilk in well. Ingredients and measurements for golden cornbread are in the description box. Next, we mix in some melted butter. And finally, a slightly beaten large egg. You see the batter is smooth but relatively thick. Now grease a 10-inch cast iron skillet with some melted butter, bottom and sides. Pour in the cornbread batter. Then take the rest of the melted butter and lightly drizzle over the top of the batter. Use a light hand for this. Next, you want to come in with the back of the spoon and lightly spread the butter across the entire surface of the cornbread, or as much of the surface as you can. This will make a perfectly golden top. Then you want to bake in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 to 45 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious everyday golden cornbread. Give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of our Creole and Cajun cooking community. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.